Welcome to xpsite.co. The unique about xpsite.co is that you can choose the level of effort and independence in designing your website yourself. Users who don't have experience with web design usually prefer to use one of our website templates and follow an easy process of customization. There is another way, however, one that will appeal to the skilled and the seasoned. XPSite Pro users can design a site absolutely from scratch, using a blank website template that gives maximum freedom, combined with the ease of use of the XPSite platform. As a starter, you can go over our how-to videos and support page, making sure you can use all our friendly features within a click. Before you even begin to think about design, you need to define the goals you set for your website. These will help you understand the technical requirements as well as the general message you want your site to convey. For instance, if the main goal of the website is to sell fashion designs, you need to include a product gallery, a shopping cart and a checkout procedure into your design scheme. If your site's central focus is to promote a music act, you would want to include audio players, possibly video players too, and a tour date list. It's time to think about your website's look and feel. This includes the color scheme, typography choice, header design, use of elements like shapes, vectors, illustrations, etc. In the XPSite editor you can view a large selection of colors and fonts presets. As a start, you can go over these presets and see which best fits the design overall look. Sometimes the textual content can influence the design process. It's best that you prepare the texts that you plan to use before you actually begin building the site. This includes not only long paragraphs, but also the site's tagline for the header, the call to action, texts you want to distribute across the site, the wording of buttons, and so forth. Of course, you'll be able to change and edit these texts as you progress, but it will be very helpful to design while having a clear idea about the message of each page and each section of your site. The type of image display is the most appropriate for your site and will help you choose and design gallery styles. XPSite.co has a variety of image gallery designs you can choose from. You can edit and enhance single images with the advanced image editor. Now we're finally getting into some serious action with XPSite editor. Think of the site layout as the skeleton of the website before you add anything to it. It's possible that you'll need different layouts for different pages, online stores, contact pages, appointment booking pages, biographies. All of these have a different character and require a distinct layout. XPSite.co offers a variety of templates that already have a fixed layout, so you can choose to go with an existing structure, add minor changes, or design a completely individualized layout with the clean slate template. With the layout, you set up the foundations of your website. Now it's time to add the decorative touch that gives your website a unique vibe. Start with design elements that will appear on all pages. Fixed header, static background image, navigation menu design, etc., and move onwards to add elements that are singular to each and every page, text boxes, image galleries, social media feed, and so on. You can enhance the site's looks and performance with apps and functions that will increase its appeal to your target audience. For instance, if you just finished creating a website for a restaurant, you might want to consider the OpenTable app. Or if the site is about teaching, you can use the online courses app to sell and play instructional videos. You can easily edit the apps with code embedding option by going to Add Raw or Add an App in the XPSite editor. It's time you're ready to test your site and prepare for the launch. It's extremely important that you go over the texts and search for typos, that you make sure the images are all cropped properly, that links are leading where they're supposed to lead, and that everything in your site is working the way it should. Remember, you can view your website under XPSite free domain with no time limit. Take your time and make a move when you are ready. Do you anticipate frequent updating of content? Use apps and tools that are built for that purpose, like the chat feature or a blog. XPSite templates can be optimized for mobile viewing. Make sure you optimize your site to increase the visitors rate. Save your work often and it will save you some time and effort. Start your site today totally free with XPSite.co.